ain't doing shit. Who gonna shoot first? Who gonna shoot first? Early Saturday, Sunday mornings are my money-making hours, 5 to 9 a.m. coffee rush. Okay. That's what I like to hear. Might have to switch locations, guys. I'm right here by Starbucks, Sonic's, McDonald's, Twisted Biscuit, but ain't shit twisting right now. I might have to go here and regroup. It looked like it may be more orders back over there, though. But to be honest with you, like, if I'm right here, I still should be within range. How long y'all want this live stream to go for? It looks like we doing good. We got good, steady engagement, good, steady flow of people coming in and out. I dig it. Steady subscribers being gained. Let's go ahead and check it out real quick. What kind of battery we got? We got 68% right there. Oh yeah, the number's steady going up. I can dig it. I can dig it. If you a new subscriber, look, don't forget, even though you subscribe from a live stream, go back on the channel and watch some of the videos, because all the videos is gig economy related, either about Doordash, Walmart, Uber, how bad they trash office is, Spark, whatever. Instacart, I even got some Instacart videos too. You know, go back through the catalog and check them out, because it's not only about these live streams, guys. You gotta check in on them videos too, because that's where the real gems is at, where you're gonna learn how to make that money. You're gonna be entertained like a motherfucker on these live streams. Don't get me wrong. Boom, let me go ahead and save that video clip as soon as I get ready to move, man. All right, I'm gonna need y'all help on this one. I don't normally take orders like this. Actually, it's outside of my parameters. Look, $4 1 mile, Sonic Drive-In. That's Sonic Drive-In right there. I'm literally at Sonic Drive-In, guys. $4 1 mile, 1.8. I hate Sonics, and I don't even like the distance on this. What should I do? I'm finna decline this shit. I don't want to take this. They gonna have me waiting hellas. It's already somebody over at Sonic. It's already somebody over at Sonic waiting right now. It's already somebody over at Sonic. Uncle Ruckus, I'm with you. That's a decline for me. Mariella, we don't do those. We don't do those. That's that same order. So you sent me one $4 order going 1.8, and you added 2 miles, and you added $5.75. I'm not going to 2 places and 2 drop-offs for $10. Hell no. That's not gonna work for me. This is a top dumbass order right here. That's a top dumbass order. I am not a top dumbass. No, we're not doing that. That motherfucker just gonna stay at 0 until they send me a good offer. I agree, Larry. That's a decline for me. $10 picking up at 2 spots, dropping off at 2 spots. That don't make sense to me. That's a no-tip McDonald's. Why am I not taking screenshots? Hold on, because I need to have screenshots for my video later. I'm gonna make more money off the damn screenshots than I am off the orders. No, sir. Say that shit for a top dumbass. He love doing $3 orders. You might get a tip. If they didn't tip on the app, nigga, that's it. Them DoorDash customers is not tipping. $3 for 1 mile. Somebody else will be like, hey, it's 3 to 1 miles to money ratio. You a $3 driver. And that's exactly how many brain cells your ass got. 3. That's why they sent it to you and you accepted it. Because you got 3 brain cells. And that's all your brain cells is worth, $3. My brain cells is worth more than $3, okay? I don't know about y'all, but my brain cells worth a little bit more. Switch to Uber Eats. Let's do this. Let's do this. Split screen. Let's put Uber down there. That's trash. That's trash. Keep that. There we go. This is how you multi-app right here.